How to log in Costco Citi online card account. For this, go ahead and search for citi.com and tap on sign on bubble right here. So as you can see, there is this dialog box where you can add your username and your password, and you can even tick mark to remember your user ID, or you can even sign in passwordlessly. However, if you don't have an account, go ahead and tap on this register tab right here. Then once you land in this page, you will see that there is four process to it: account information, verification, setup online access, and confirmation. So the first thing is to set up your debit or credit card. Then once you are verified and set up and confirmed, you are all good to sign up. Then if you already have a card but it is not activated, tap on this activate tab right here. Now, once you do that, you have to add your credit card or debit card number right here and just tap on continue and follow the process. Once you do that, you'll be able to sign in to your Costco Citi without any difficulty. So make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.